you know, we go to AI for almost everything anymore. We just ask AI whatever we want to know. So we have to find a hotel in Bangkok. I go to AI, and the AI that I go to is Gemini because I'm all Google and I like things all being in one place. So I pretty much stick to Gemini. I asked it, we're going to be in Bangkok in order to have some health screenings done at Bumrungrad Hospital. I'd like to stay in Bangkok for 3 nights. It seems logical to find a hotel in walking distance to the hospital, but we may enjoy someplace closer to attractions like the river or a park, and we can always take an Uber or a Grab here to the hospital. I'd like a price of $100 a night or less, but for something special we could pay more.
We
What
could splurge.
suggestions do you have? So that's the way you ask a question of Gemini. You give it as much information as you can. And Gemini came up with several suggestions, and we had longer conversations. And I ended up deciding on this one called the Rembrandt Hotel, mainly because Gemini told me that, first of all, it sits at a really fascinating intersection of value, location, and history. And the park, this Benja Kitty Park, Gemini says that's a huge win. The hotel is very close, and it features a gorgeous lake and fantastic elevated green canopy walkway. You can easily walk there in about 10 to 12 minutes. I thought that just looked like a great idea, close enough to the hospital, but we could go for this beautiful walk every morning. So I booked it.
Yeah.
And then what?
Well, I looked at it a little bit closer, and I found out that, yes, it's very close to this park. And it looks like you can walk there in just a short amount of time, but you can't get there from here. You had to go all the way up and around. You could walk it. It would probably take at least a half an hour walking. You got to double check the info, because sometimes the AIs don't know everything.
And most of the time they're really, really
Oh,
good.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
So you get lax in your need to double check. Don't do that. So here's an image. When we mentioned to Gemini that we don't see how you can get there, Gemini responded,
oh, yeah. You're right.
you are completely right to question that. And I apologize. As looking closer at the actual pedestrian access points, a 10-minute walk is not correct or realistic. So here's the map. The hotel is there, and it looks like you can just zip across the road, but nope, not true. That doesn't work. So you got to double check. I think this cartoon puts it
succinctly.
very clearly. Yeah, I found this cartoon on the web. Is this mushroom edible? And AI says yes. Then AI looks at your gravestone.
You're right.
That mushroom was poisonous. I'm sorry for the confusion. Would you like to learn more about poisonous mushrooms? So AI is very, very helpful. Do use it. Just double check when it's important.
Yeah.